Hi there! This is my old phone. I had it for about 2 years. The first year it was awesome, it was okay, it was perfect. The second year it began to have troubles. And now I fucking despise it. I fucking hate it with such a passion. Anyway, I want to destroy it. So, I'm gonna shoot at it. And the first gun will be the M9. It doesn't have much power, but I don't care anyway. The second one will be much stronger, much powerful, the KP05 1911 from KJW. And if this doesn't destroy it or cause another crack, I have my AK-47 to finish the job, and if that doesn't finish the job, then I'm gonna have to go with my secret weapon, which is a bat. And either that or this thing right here. You know this knife. It was in the previous video. And that was it for the intro. Let's begin. Now, the M9, I have 3 babies in case I miss. Okay. Okay, I hit it. Let's check out the damage. Interesting damage. But it's still okay. Let's try with the 1911. Okay, the 1911. Let's see what this one does. Let's shoot it again. Three shots. It didn't disperse the damage, but it has some 3 little holes. I'm not satisfied, and we're gonna move on with the AK-47. I think I'm gonna shoot it on full auto because I despise this thing, and I said it in the intro. Okay, the AK-47 on full auto. It's not enough. Maybe now it's enough. Okay, now I'm pretty satisfied, but still not enough. Let's not forget we have this. God be with me. Yeah. This little thing is the heart of the phone, and there is my friend. It's a bat. With his bat, he's gonna send this shit flying through the air. Yeah. Let's do this. Let's not fail like the other time.
We hope to. We failed. Once again. It worked. That is not usable.
Do you think? Really?
Okay, let's try again. One more time. Don't see it anymore.
Pizza de pasta. Hello. That was the video. See you in the next video.